Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Sparkle TV on any Amazon Firestick, Fire TV, or Android TV device. Now, Sparkle TV is a popular live TV player that can be installed on any Android-powered device, and you can pair with your favorite live TV service for an improved interface. I have a complete guide here where it walks you through different screenshots and just provides more details on Sparkle TV, including how to pair a live TV service. But before diving in too much further, it is important to note that Sparkle TV can be found inside the Google Play Store. And because Sparkle TV has over 10,000 downloads and over 150 reviews inside Google Play, we can be sure that this application is 100% legal to install and use on our devices. Now guys, since Sparkle TV is not available inside the Amazon App Store, we must sideload this on our Firestick or Fire TV device. In this example, I'm using an Amazon Firestick 4K Max, but this tutorial will work on any variation of the Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device. It's important to note that if you already have the downloader app installed, I would suggest skipping ahead where I show how to use a secret code going to our quick links page. But if you do not have downloader installed, I would suggest following along step by step in this video. So the first thing you need to do if you do not have downloader is from the home screen, hover over Find, click Search, and I'm going to type in Downloader. And as you'll see here, Downloader populates before I finish, so click that. And then you're going to click the orange icon for Downloader under Apps and Games. And then you're going to click Download. And we're going to wait a few seconds for the Downloader app to install. All right, once the Downloader app has installed, before launching, click the Home button, as there's a few settings we need to change. So from the Home menu, hover over the Settings icon, scroll down and click My Fire TV, click About, and then click Fire TV Stick 4K Max, or whatever this says here, until you see the following message. No need, you are already a developer. Once you see that message, click the Back button, click Developer Options, click Install Unknown Apps, click Downloader, and we have now turned on the ability to install unknown apps within Downloader. So once you've done that, click the Home button, and then simply scroll down, and you should see Downloader under Recently Used Apps. Click that to launch it. Click Allow, click OK, and you have now installed the Downloader app. After you've installed the Downloader app, simply click the search box, and I'm going to enter the following code, 298344. Double check that and click Go. And I'm going to wait a few seconds here while we are being redirected to the IPTV Wire Quick Links page. And once you are on the IPTV Wire Quick Links page, the first thing I would suggest doing, guys, if you haven't already, is I would come up to the top right and click this icon with the 3 lines, click Add Current Page to Favorites, click Save, and now our Quick Links page is installed on your favorites. So I'm going to hit the X button here, and so to install Sparkle TV, simply scroll down, and you'll see it here under Live TV Players. Here it is, Sparkle TV. So once you guys see that, simply hover over it and click the OK button. And now we're just going to wait a few seconds while Sparkle TV is downloading on our device. All right, once Sparkle TV has downloaded, you'll see this message, click Install. Wait a few seconds for Sparkle TV to install. All right, the app is installed. So I'm going to click Done before launching. And I always like to delete the installation files. So I'm going to click Delete again. And now I'm going to hold down the Home button on my remote. I'm going to click Apps. And if you scroll down, you'll see Sparkle TV in your Apps and Channels list. So I'm going to move this towards the front. So to do that, click the options button with the 3 lines on your remote, click move, and I'm going to go ahead and place this towards the front of my apps list. So click OK to drop it. Click the home button, and you'll see here Sparkle TV is now installed towards the front of my apps list. So guys, before launching Sparkle TV or pairing a live TV service, I would first make sure you are connected to a reliable VPN. Surfshark VPN is our #1 recommended VPN at IPTV Wire. And guys, I personally do not trust these third-party app developers, and I also don't trust my internet service provider monitoring what I am doing online. By being connected to a VPN like Surfshark, I can have peace of mind knowing that my connection to the internet is secure. I do have a special discount link you can find below this video. And guys, this does help keep myself and the channel afloat, so I would truly appreciate it if you check that out. So now that I'm connected to a VPN, I'm going to go ahead and launch Sparkle TV. And just wait a few seconds while the application boots up. And you'll see this screen where it says Setup Input Sources. So you can click Add New Source, Export Configuration, or Restore Configuration. So in this example, guys, I'm not going to show how to set up a live TV service, but if you were going to do that, this is what you would do. You would click Add New Source, and then you would define what type of source it is. So typically in live TV services, you either have M3U playlists or Extreme Codes API. There are other options here. Stalker Portal is a popular one. There's some other options. I wouldn't get too caught up in this. Typically, it's through an M3U playlist. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click Next. And here we go. You have Playlist, select Local Playlist, or use authentication. I'm going to click Playlist, and here is where you would enter the URL of the playlist. So once you would do that, you would click Next, and as you see, URL not set. But guys, once you would enter the full URL of your M3U playlist, which is provided by your live TV service, you would simply click Next, and then it would pair and Sparkle TV interface would start showing in the background. So I'm going to click the back button here and just go back to the main page of Sparkle TV for now. So guys, again, this is Bodie. I truly appreciate you watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I look forward to releasing more content like this in the near future, and I hope you guys have a great day.